Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my soleh-solehah students? May Allah always protect us from any disease every time and everywhere. Hi, welcome back with Ustazah Rani, and today we are going to learn about mathematics. Now, this is the new one. So, in every your independent lesson, means when you listen by yourself at home, you will be have do at helper worksheet ya. So kalau Ustazah kasih video berarti at helper worksheet. But kalau Ustazah menjelaskan, kita ketemu di Zoom, kita akan bahas tentang worksheet yang sesuai dengan bukunya. Basically worksheet dari at helper juga sesuai dengan bukunya, tapi tingkat level yang berbeda. Kemudian jumlahnya yang agak banyak karena to help you be used to using or answer the question, supaya kalian terbiasa menjawab soal-soal. Oke, Ananda Soleha. So today we are going to learn about place value ya. You are going to answer at helper worksheet about place value. Remember about the tens, ones, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and so on. For example, if I have 110, it's equal to 10, right? If I have 10, it's equal to 100, right? And if I have 50 it's with tens. If I have 50 tens, is equal to 50 absolutely, right? You have to edit one zero behind the given number, because 10 means 10. Jadi kalau kita punya 10 tens itu artinya 100, kita tambahkan 1 nolnya. Jadi ingat, kalau tens you have to edit 10. If hundreds you have to edit 20. And if thousands, you have to edit 3 zeros and so on, like that ya. So for this part, for example, 72 tens, it says 72 tens. So the answer for this part is 772 with tens, so you edit 10. So it becomes 720. The value is 720. And then for example, how about ones? If it has ones only, now you just needed to remember it. Ones have a zero behind them. Should us edit zero in ones? No, we don't need it to edit zero in ones. So you just put it 23. So the answer is 23. So for ones, you don't need it to edit zero. For tens, you need it to edit 10 zeros and so on. Okay, this is the first worksheet. So the total number here is 18. So I hope you can all answer all of the worksheet. Yeah. Next one, we are going to move to the next worksheet. So this is the second worksheet. It is about rounding number. I hope you still remember about rounding number. Nah, in rounding number, you have to remember. For example, it say the question. Yeah, you can see the question. The question says rounding to the nearest 100. Okay, so our point is rounding to the nearest 100. That is our point, to the nearest 100. Nah, because you rounding to the nearest 100, so remember you have to circle your number and then look at to the right, to the next door. Means look at to the right number. For example, if I have 3,478. Okay, and then I want to round it to the nearest 100 because the question is round it to the nearest 100 ya. Remember, the way is you have to encircle your numbers and then pay attention to the next number in the right side. It is 7. So remember, when we rounding up and when we rounding down, if 7 we rounding up, so it's become 3,500. Okay, you can see the 100 is change, become up ya. Jadi kalau angkanya semakin tinggi berarti itu namanya rounding up. Kalau angkanya hasil pembulatannya semakin rendah, itu namanya rounding down. Nah, sekarang we are going to see this number, part 1. You can see part 1. It is say, for this question, you needed to choose the suitable number. You needed to choose the suitable number that can appropriate this number. For example, number 1 ya, I help you for number 1. There is a blank box and it is the hundreds. The hundreds is blank. And then I have number 92. So blah 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 92. We don't know the hundreds. But if we round it, setelah kita bulatkan ternyata hasilnya adalah 200. Hasilnya 200. Nah, because we don't know the hundreds, kita punya tens and ones only. Kita tidak tahu hundreds-nya. But you can see the tens. Karena kita nearest 100, jadi kalau kita membulatkan, kita sudah punya angka ini, kita akan lihat angka yang di sampingnya kan. Angka di sampingnya adalah 9. Menurut kalian, kalau angka di sampingnya 9, apakah itu rounding up atau rounding down? Absolutely, itu adalah rounding up, berarti up. Nah, kira-kira di sini angka apakah yang paling tepat? Ketika kita bulatkan dia meningkat. Yang tadinya yang tadinya awalnya angka berapa, kemudian setelah kita bulatkan angka 2. Ternyata dia juga up. Berarti kalau dia up, the result is 1, right? Karena kalau 192 we round it to the nearest 100, the result is 200, right? Because 9 means we rounding up. That's it. Okay. Next, I give you example. The next example for more understanding, this one. Number 2. We have 7, blank and 9. And after we round it, it's become 700. Nah, ini 7 sama 7. 100-nya sama. 100-nya sama. Berarti 100-nya tidak berubah, 100-nya tidak naik. 100-nya tidak meningkat. Berarti itu adalah rounding down. Kalau kita rounding down, ketika kita memperhatikan angka di sebelah kanannya 7, maka itu harusnya angkanya dari 0 sampai 4. Karena kita rounding up. Kita rounding down maksud Ustazah ya. Karena angka ratusannya tetap 77. Berarti kita, you can choose the number between 0 through 4. The result is, kalian bisa pilih angka berapa saja. In this case, I choose 3. Itu juga memenuhi karena 739 ketika kita bulatkan hasilnya adalah 700. Seperti itu. Yang jelas semuanya adalah rounded to the nearest 100. Berarti yang harus diperhatikan angka kita adalah 100-nya, kita lingkari 100-nya, kemudian lihat di sebelah kanannya untuk menentukan apakah dia rounding up atau rounding down. Okay, that's for the first part. The second part, it is rounded to the nearest thousands, 10 thousands atau $10,000, sama-sama 10,000, tapi ada yang pakai dollars. Nah, sama, berarti kalau 10,000 itu apa? Di atasnya 1000, di atasnya thousands. Berarti kita perhatikan angka 10,000-nya yang menduduki value 10,000. Misalnya nomor 7. 10,000-nya kan 14.170. 14,170. Manakah 10,000-nya? Absolutely, the 10,000 is 1. So 1 is our number. Sama seperti cara yang kemarin, 1 adalah angka kita. Kemudian look at the number in the right side, 4. Berarti itu artinya kita rounding down. Karena tidak cukup 5, remember 0 until 4 is 0 until 4 is rounding down, and then 5 until 9 is rounding up. Jadi hasilnya adalah, karena kita rounding up, maka hasilnya adalah 20,000. Yeah, I hope you still remember how to rounding the number. But this is, you have to round into the 10,000s. Remember ya, you have to round into the 10,000s. Seperti angka ini. Yang manakah 10,000-nya? Nah, kalian bisa lihat 10,000 itu dia berada di posisi ke 5 dari belakang. Berarti tinggal hitung Miki, 5 dari belakang yang mana? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, berarti 7. Berarti 10,000-nya adalah 7. Seperti itu. The next one, the last part, which is write the 2,000s each number in between. Kalian akan menulis the thousands number. The thousands number artinya ribuan, angka ribuan ya. Angka ribuan, but it is exactly angka ribuan. Misalnya number 19, 1,570. What is the thousands number around 1,570? So that it's in the middle. Dia stand di bagian tengah. Berarti itu adalah 1,500 and also 1,000. Thousands number ya. Maaf. Bukan 1,500. Tapi itu adalah 1,000 and 2,000. Jadi kalian pilih angka thousands yang mendekati angka yang diminta, tapi angka yang diminta itu harus berada di tengah-tengah. So you have to choose the number is smaller than the given number and the number is greater than the given number. But remember, it must thousands number. The other example, I choose this one. Sorry. I choose this one. I have a number 375,000. Sorry, wait a minute. 375,382. Berarti thousands numbernya adalah 5 ya. Thousandsnya di sini adalah 5. Berarti angka yang saya pilih bisa 375.000 atau 376.000. Ini adalah dua angka yang bisa saya pilih. Yang jelas thousands-nya. Jadi dia berada di tengah-tengah, sehingga angka ini berada di tengah-tengah. Tapi fokus kita hanya di thousands-nya. Setelah angka di thousands-nya, it must become 0. Seperti itu. Oke, I hope do you get it about this part. But if you still confusing, it's okay. You can ask me. And after I ask you, you still confused, and we don't have enough time to more explanation, silahkan, you can do it as much as you can do. Okay, thank you so much, Ananda Soleha. I think that's all about our worksheet today. Thank you so much. I hope you can finish your task. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.